Welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to you can filter your comments like through the keywords on TikTok. So you can do that in the same platform TikTok. This is an official option of TikTok. You can filter how and they give to you the option and filter the comments through the keywords. So the first step is go to the application here, and after that you need to go to your profile, and here in your profile you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines, and after that you can pick here in settings and privacy. So in settings and privacy, the only thing you need to do is go to privacy, and you can go down to the option of comments, and here you can activate filter keywords, and that option you can choose the keywords you want to filter and fill your comments. So you can filter, or you can activate the option for all the comments were set, filter all comments. The recent comments on your videos will be hidden on this, and you approve them. So you can approve the comments you want to be in the feed in the comments of your videos. So, but with the keyword, the only thing you need to do is activate the filter keywords, and you can filter the comments with the keywords, what you want. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.